Police kill termites. Everybody have vlog about it. But my thing is, why would the police go up there and kill a man that's not wanted? You understand? He wasn't a wanted man, you know. So what would trigger that? And that's the question me I ask. Look at the screen in front of you. That's Anthony McLaughlin. He is the head of Cter. Now, Cter is the counter-terrorism organized crime unit. Now, the question with me have for Mr. Anthony is, where is the evidence? Where is the evidence that this young man was wanted? Okay? I want to know what is the reason and why did the police go after him? You understand? He was in the public eye. You understand? He was doing his thing. Why would the police just get up one day and why would Cter just go and attack and kill this man? That is the question I want this man, Mr. McLaughlin, who has a master's degree in public relations, economics. He is one of the brightest JDF or JCF policeman right now. So why would he go after Mr. Termite? You understand? Why would they kill him? What is the reason? To me, this look like it is very, very personal, yo. There is certain theory floating around out there. I think one vlogger, my view, say it's Cter. Another vlogger say it's Badness. Somebody with name Badness set him up. But my thing is, this you Termite, him just get married. Them man have big links with police. Them have links with everybody, business people. You understand? Him never wanted. You understand? So what would trigger a set of police then if it go short in there and say them have a shootout? Where is the guns? Where is the bullet? How come nobody don't come out with evidence and say big shootout, this, that, whatever? There is really no evidence. So these are the questions I'm asking, because every vlogger out there is running with the idea, yeah, termite get killed, termite this. Let me show you something. Now look at the title for this vloggers video. It said Termite just got married to a foreign citizen, her scene, and was on his way out of Ireland to run the Klansman gang from abroad when Cter run in and mash him up. Then the title is Termite reign as Klansman done is cut short with bold action from Cter operation. Now the question is, why did the Cter operation came about? And none of these vloggers are talking about that. What triggered that? You understand? Why did Cter do this? When you look at Termite, and I have the picture right here so everybody see. This man right here, him look like somebody who is sleeping. This don't look like a man who is involved in an active shootout and sweating. And that man look like, listen, asleep, me asleep, you know, or me a dream. So, where is all the evidence? So my thing is, this vlogger right here, and it's the thing coming up right there. The question is right there. What triggered the Cter operation? You understand? And where is the evidence of the shootout and everything that Cter talk about? If Cter can just get up down in a Irie man and just create an operation out of thin air, that means everybody is in trouble. Now, right there on this vlogger thumbnail, the answer is why the answer is there why they did this to him. And me I go on my theory why them do this to Termite. I think Termite made a couple different mistakes. The fact that he went public with his wedding, you understand, and obviously he's about to leave Jamaica and fly out, and I think that's what cost him his life. I think, like me said, Vlogger Jesus have the answer right there. Him say he married the curse scene and he's about to leave Irie man. But what Vlogger Jesus didn't put in is that this guy here, Termite, him have a whole heap of information for all sort of people. Police, you understand, corrupt politician. Him have information on the dirty gangster. And when him leave, him could have used that to him advantage. You understand? So it seems like people didn't want him leave, cause if him leave now, they might be at his mercy. Cause remember now, him not dead there. So now him can't say what him need to say. You understand? And to me, that seems like the reason them get rid of Termite. And it just raises a lot of questions. Now you have the Klansman gang, you have the one order, but you have a gang we name the Squaddy gang, the Special Operation Branch. What would trigger a man who is not wanted all of a sudden to be on the Cter most wanted, or I don't even know, it's just hard to explain. So what would trigger that? And like I said, I think this guy have sensitive information and he was leaving the island. And a lot of people didn't want that. Yo, he wasn't killed by the man then. People, other people, dirty corrupt police who him know. You understand? Triggered that. It's not no ticker. It's not no this. It's not no that. No, like I say, all of the vloggers them saying the same thing. I am not. Because when I look at this man was sleeping. What would make him all of a sudden be the most wanted man in Jamaica like overnight? What triggered that? The man was chilling. People see say right now the man want to come out of the thing, he want to rehabilitate and move on with his life. And people were nervous, meaning the Squaddy gang. That's why them approach him like that and get rid of him. This thing to me, it seems more personal than anything. So my question is to the leader of Cter. You have all these degrees. You have all this big thing. Why would you send for a man who is not wanted? Where is the evidence? What would trigger you and your police force to go for a man that is not wanted and kill him in a shootout where we don't hear no bullets? There is no evidence of bullet. There is no evidence of gun. There is nothing. It just popped up out of thin air. That is crazy. All the vlogger them are come with the same thing. All of them brainwash. You understand? You see this killing also, it's about discrimination of a man's character. You understand? And a very mysterious death for no reason, and a lot of unanswered questions with this. Now, me hear say this man brother, Termite brother, come out and said there was no shooting, there was no shootout. Him even say when me a say that this man looked like he was sleeping. So why in the world would they have a special operation for this man and he's not wanted? This thing, like me say, it is definitely personal. And as far as I'm concerned, a lot of the people them is brainwashed. And when you look at the kind of vlogging and just people in general, it's like, yeah, I'm dead, good riddance, good, and them not even know why they are agreeing with it. Once I saw it, it was like the man never did on a high-powered shootout with no police, nothing, so why is he dead? You understand? Now, last but not least before I go, you see insect kits, the government pay the gangster them. You understand? Pretty much put them on welfare. And insect kits, the last time them have 32 murders was in the 80s. You hear what I'm saying? Insect kits, the government pay the gangster them. Basically put them on welfare. You understand? Because remember, we know say a poverty a breed the crime. So what the government do? Pull up all of the man them turn in them gun, and the government give them $200 whatever a month, $300-400, me don't know. But the program where the government implement insane kits, it's working because what it is social welfare program, and that's really what the Caribbean and them places need. Just the same thing, just like America, England, other places, Canada. You understand? So they need to take a page out of St. Kitts' book, because what St. Kitts do, it's working. What is going on in Jamaica is search and destroy. And I've said this before. In Jamaica, the government has taken on a paramilitary style, like an army, because the way how them deal with the citizens them, it's like how America deal with terrorists. You get intel, search, and then you destroy tactically. You understand? And that's what them a do. Them a kill off all the dons them, and then them realize, listen, once them do this, the thing is gonna splinter and it's gonna get worse. Because once you have with the Jamaica and them place, if you have the dance them in place, they can't able to keep certain things quiet. Take a page out of Saddam Hussein book. Them kill Saddam Hussein. And guess what? Terrorism take off, dog, in the whole world. So them need to take a page out of that. So them know the way how them do Saddam Hussein, that system work. So if them kill off the Don them, then the thing are gonna splinter up and get more wicked and more money for the police and more money for the national security. I don't know. But this youth was killed underneath a very mysterious thing. There's a lot of unanswered questions. And like me, give my 2 cents, me feel the police them kill him because he was leaving and him have information on a lot of people, a lot of them, because him had him own a police link and he had leverage. So they kill him before he leave Jamaica. That's the way I feel about it. A very sick and disgusting feeling, yo. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.